am not stopping the camera
What the fuck
until
did I
we
sign up
get
for?
a thing.
Okay. Okay, so last time, fuck.
Keep going, keep going.
Okay, oh yeah. Okay, so thanks for having this interview with me, and, so, last time we talked, stop. Okay, so last time we talked, what? Damn it. Don't smile.
I'm not, I can't.
You changed what you said, and then I didn't know what to do, because you, like, set me up.
Well, you told me to talk less.
No, God, don't listen to me.
A lot of
I can't. It's doing weird things.
to business. Hey! and then as a natural resource manager, fucker. I'm
No,
sorry.
I had a good question.
He's gonna rip it down. This isn't the real one anyway.
What the hell is that?
We're making the real one. This is funny.